Okay, I hope you guys can like hear me, but basically I have gym right now and I'm going to the library because, you know, I'm not gonna be in the gym. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the library and get some work done, be productive. That's my pass. Probably to the media center.
Look.
But I actually get views from my vlog. Yeah.
Hello guys. I'm Ryan Jones. I'm Sierra. I like it.
Thank you.
Hey, ja.
What are you?
Tonight, say hey to the channel. Who? The channel. Look at that bird.
Why are you going to vlog?
Yeah.
You want to be in her vlog? You want to be in her vlog?
I've already walked past.
Sunshine, baby. It's the city, girls. You know I.
There go
Before
your best
I
friend.
touch you. Oh, come here.
There go your best friend. What?
She's here.
Hold on, I have to look good.
Girl, with them little.
Hold on, I have to look good, I have to look good.
Oh,
What's gonna make so special?
all right. I need y'all to find this kid right here and get him to find this kid right here. What's up? What's up, blog? Y'all, how y'all doing?
It's vlog, not blog.
Okay, now I'm going to third period, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Ooh, look at this light. Yeah. Because it's a vlog. It's a vlog. It's gonna be a time lapse, so I don't care. Yeah, hold on.
All of it.
All of it. You wanna say hi? Okay, she don't wanna say hi, guys.
Oh my god, the freaking wire is hitting me in the head.
My bad.
I have that? Oh, for real? Oh, you're so kind. Thank you.
You're welcome. Of course. Is this an English one? So right now I'm in third period, and basically this is like a study hall / dual enrollment class. I'm gonna eat my muffins. I'm gonna censor that. What are you doing? What? Okay, so I'm going to do my microeconomic work. Let me see. Oh man. Okay, so I'm currently doing my microeconomic homework. Yeah, this is basically my day at school. Cheese it. Okay, so Anna, say hello. Anyways, right now we're heading to lunch. I usually eat in the library or Dr. Sal room. Yeah, I'm vlogging. This is the lighting. Look at Tasia. Yeah, Sal room is closed. So yeah, we're gonna head to the media center for lunch. Oh, just come. I was like, come. Hold up.
Oh, I could barely hear you on the phone.
I was like, is this a good lighting? I hope this is a good lighting. Hold on, where's my necklace?
Hey, y'all. We got our necklaces on.
I got mine.
What's this, high school vlog?
We're currently in, yes, it's a high school vlog. We're currently in lunch, you know. Gonna
Yeah.
drink my energy or else I will fall asleep.
Period.
Like pass
Period.
out. We're eating
Yeah.
outside.
Yes, okay.
Okay.
Fashion Nova.
Fashion Nova.
Forever 21.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where my sandals are from, but
Okay.
that's what
Nice.
I got on,
I like
you
the
know.
fit. I like the fit.
Too weird.
Anna, come here. So we can get a thumbnail.
I'm so. We should take pictures today
We're shy.
because the lights. We're shining. I don't know. Where do we usually go?
This is all what I'm having for lunch, guys.
Like the stairs.
Are we eating in here?
The stairs are by the gym.
Is Sal here?
His door's closed. It has a note that says we can't come in today.
Bree. This is my
Hey,
friend
y'all.
Bree. Check out her channel. It'll be linked down in the description box. I cannot speak. I have no food. I only have my Red Bull. They're eating their food. So basically I went home and I changed my shirt because I was wearing like a sweater earlier, but it's really hot in the afternoon. You already know if you live in Florida. But right now I'm heading to my friend's house and basically she's getting a surprise prom proposal. So let's see how that goes. I hope I can get some footage. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm really excited and I'll continue to vlog, so stay tuned.
I really miss you.
Okay. You're on speaker.
You look out your window.
Oh my gosh. What's outside my window, Sean?
Maybe. Yes.
Yes. Get out the ladder. It's gonna blow away in the wind. Okay, I'm gonna come down there.
Look at this. There, move your flower a little. So prom proposal was a success, and now we're gonna go eat bento.
Are you vlogging this?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. So we got our food. Yay! Is that on your YouTube? Finally, I'm making a We're currently at Nagati. I am so tired. It's currently... I look like an egg.
I got 2.
I got 4.
You got the yellow one. Taking mine and put it back in.
I got 4.